tonight's homework is Homelink 4.10, A Fair Game. The class is exploring probability. Play rock, paper, scissors with your child. After 20 rounds, have your child decide whether the game is fair and tell you why or why not. A game is fair if all players have an equal chance of winning or losing. Here are the instructions. Play the game rock, paper, scissors with someone at home. Play at least 20 times. Keep a tally of wins and losses. So, we've played rock, paper, scissors a lot in class as a decision-making tool. So the students are very familiar with rock, paper, scissors. And what they want to do is they want to have a partner. So it could be a parent or a sibling, a grandparent, aunt, uncle. And they want to play it 20 times. And the object of the game is to choose a hand position that beats the partner's choice. So the students know the directions, but basically each player hides one hand behind his or her back and puts it in the rock, paper, or scissors position. One player counts 1, 2, 3, and on 3, both players show their hand positions. Players choose the winner according to these rules. So, to explain basically, the rock beats scissors, the paper beats rock, and the scissors beat paper. So, these are the stronger positions if you look at the hand positions if you're not very familiar with the game. So in this case rock wins, in this case paper wins, and in this case scissors wins. And you can feel free to do a few rounds to warm up. Now, we talked in class today about making predictions. Before students actually play this game, it would be great if they would make a prediction. When the students do this, they should keep a tally chart of their wins and their losses. And just mark a tally for wins, mark a tally for losses, depending on where they end up. Then, at the very end, students should think about their experiences with this game and think about whether or not it's a fair game. Now, fair means that each player has the same chance of winning. So students should think about that. Does each player, everyone who played the game, have the same chance of winning? And then on the back of this paper, explain why or why not. So students can turn the paper right over. They can write question number 2 right here. And then they can write, I think this is a fair game because, or I do not think this is a fair game because. I really encourage students to use complete sentences, and that's good for their writing skills as well as their math skills. This is Homelink 4.10, A Fair Game.